2023 July I joined QSpiders for a full stack development job. Full stack development. My friend was referred this institute. This was nice, so I joined this. My first class is Java taken by Nandhi sir. He's taking well. I don't have any coding knowledge because I'm from the biology background. Who taught me the coding is very easy, like that. And coming to the web development, Mr. Tamal Selvan sir, who taught me the other than the codings. That means lot of things he does. And then members of QSpiders, they help me to place in nice company. QSpiders is the best platform to learn codings and use them. Thank you for this.